Crypto Ultraman enthusiasts. I'm sure you were here in search of a new earning system of cryptocurrency because you haven't been satisfied with what you have now. Well, this is a NFT based unit. An NFT is a non fungible token with a unit of data stored on a digital ledger called a blockchain that certifies a digital asset to be unique and therefore not interchangeable. NFTs can be used to represent such items as photos, videos, audio, and other types of digital files, and this combines here with Crypto Ultraman. It is said that the art market follows capital. As a practitioner of the art market, you may not be immune. Before starting all the discussion, I still want to explain NFT clearly in my own language. So, from this, I think you got a literal view of how this works. Well, they are unique. The same two NFTs will not appear in the world, they are invisible. And Crypto Ultraman has an NFT that cannot divide it into several smaller pieces like a currency. The unit it is safe and unchangeable. Once all NFTs of Crypto Ultramans are formed, they will never be changed, including, yes, deletion. Yes, it will always exist in the online world. There are a total of 12,695 unique Crypto Ultramans. Each of them was created by several different fans. They have different rarity, special moves, stamina, attack, speed, and other attributes. Crypto Ultraman is the first blockchain based Ultraman digital identity jointly launched by the NFT, Olympic Associations, and Ultraman. It can be understood as launching an interactive synthesis game for all Olympic fans across the network. The player gathers 4 blocks to synthesize a complete NFT Ultraman according to its attribute rarity. It has a human token and it can be auctioned for higher value, and it can be synthesized into 12,695 unique Olympics. Diamond cards, whether in a single block or a synthesized NFT, can be freely traded and will be permanently stored in the blockchain world. It is released in 2 stages. In the first stage, you can get 4,000 blocks for free, and you need to collect 4 parts to complete a NFT. The second stage is the carve auction. In order to ensure fair distribution, user will not know what Crypto Ultraman has been purchased in the first 14 days of the sale. All NFTs have been generated but have not yet been indexed. There is a predetermined Crypto Ultraman sequence, but it will be the first Crypto Ultraman which will only be determined using the on-chain random mechanism at the end of the sale. So this method guarantees fair distribution. So I suggest it is now giving higher prices than ever. Don't be late, get enrolled now.